We just brought Cody home, and he went directly to the bowl where he had some food and water waiting for him. He grabs some from the bowl and then he eats it on the carpet. I can hear him munching. Hey, what a happy camper. Now he goes and gets some more. Hey, doggy. Gotta take your leash off, Cody. You just got here and I haven't even taken off your leash and you're into the food and water. Enjoy, Cody.